Let's talk quickly about textures with alpha. So what I'm going to do is create a situation here where I need a little decal on my plane here. So we'll go ahead and just pull this out. And I'm going to go ahead and create a luminant material. I'm going to double click here. And I'm going to turn off the color channel. I'm going to turn on luminance, turn off specular. And let's make this another color. Maybe something like, I don't know, orange, maybe like that. Let's go ahead and drop that on our plane. So what I want you to take away from this is the concept of stacked materials as well. So I'm going to take another material, double click, let's go into the color channel and let's drop a bitmap image on that. And we'll click no. So we have this C4D Photoshop image. Turn off specular here. And let's go ahead and drop that on the plane. So what we have going on here is we have two materials. One is the luminant orange material. The other is the image that we want to use as a decal, which is the C4D Photoshop image. Currently, the C4D Photoshop image is covering this luminant material. Thing is, we have an alpha channel in this C4D material. So let's go ahead and just double click here. And I'm going to come up here and I have to turn on the alpha channel. But first I need to go ahead and copy this channel. So I'm copying the information in the color channel, which is the Photoshop file. Come down here, turn on the alpha channel, and let's go ahead and paste that channel in there. And you can see immediately now we get our transparency. And if we go back here, now we are seeing the underlying texture, which is the luminant orange material, underneath this bitmapped image because we have alpha or transparency all around it. Now at this point, if we wanted to make some adjustments to the C4D, we could come over here and click our texture tool. And we need to make sure that this one is turned on. We also need to select this and make sure that we have flat selected. Let's go ahead and turn off tile because we had UVW selected and this needs to be a flat material. We turn off the tile, otherwise we get it obviously tiled. So we'll turn that off. And now with the texture tool selected and we need to turn on our axis, we can come up here and scale this up or move this around wherever we want it. So we have our C4D bitmap image that came from Photoshop and we're using that as a decal. So that's the basics of textures with alpha here in Cinema 4D.